Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use boundary command use in CATIA, and today discuss here CATIA lecture 77 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, boundary command is discussed here, and boundary command and extract command is also discussed here, and both command in use a wireframe and surface design. Okay, both command is very useful and helpful any new create a design, and both is a very helpful. Okay, one by one is discussed here, and at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a use a this command is a okay this is a boundary and this is a extract. Okay, one by one is discussed here. At first boundary command is discussed here, learn here. Okay, at first drawing a 2D sketch, a spline command. Okay, this is a very nice, and okay, this is a exit, and draw a extrude. Okay, and okay, this body is a click here. Okay, and this body is a click here and draw a boundary. Okay, at first draw a, and this body is a boundary, then click this. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this face, select and hide, then all is a hide. Okay, this line is a see, you can see here, but okay, this is a okay, so here, and this boundary is click here and select this face. Okay, all is a clear boundary. Okay, this is a okay, this is a boundary, and this click and hide, then use a boundary. This is a boundary of surface. Okay, and any extrude not work at first, and use a disassemble point is also, you can see here, and the disassemble point clear. This boundary is click here, and cell, all cell is a separate. Okay, all cell is 4, 1 2 3 4, and this is a okay, all cell is a 4. First is first, second, fourth, third, and fourth, all is a separate. Okay, and then use a extrude command, also use a this line, and use and this any plane, this plane is a click here. Okay, this is a correct, a separate extrude is a use. Okay, and this okay, and again extrude command extrude command, and use a any this line and any plane, this plane is a click here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, again this and this line and this plane is a this. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, and again this extrude and use this line and this plane is a select here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, and this is a very useful and helpful. This is a this command is a boundary command is very useful and helpful. A new create a surface design. Okay, any new create a surface design in use a wireframe and surface design, then use a boundary command is very helpful, and this command is very useful. Okay, this is a, and this curve is hide because this plane is also hide. Okay, because this body is a colorful. Okay, hide, this plane is also hide, and this is a also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, and fill command is also used. This fill command is first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, this is a correct. Preview is showing here. This is a fill command is also very useful. Okay, this is a correct. And also body is a colorful. This is a, okay, this body is blue color, and also this face color is a, and okay, this is a correct. This E point is also okay, and Control J undo. Okay, this face is colorful, this, and this face is also color, this pink, this face is also color is a green. Okay, and this face is also color is a, okay, not hide, this is a, okay, undo, and this face is a color, this color. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, zoom out. Okay, guys, boundary command is discussed here, and some use a disassemble command is also discussed here, and this is a very useful and helpful. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, boundary command is discussed here, and extract command is also next video is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.